Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at some circular motion. So the problem we have today is we have a car moving around a circular track. Okay, now our first question is, what is the centrifugal acceleration of the car if v equals 15 meters per second and r equals 25 meters? Okay, so first let's write out the equation that we're going to be using to find this acceleration. This is just going to be a one-step problem, super easy. So we have AC, which is the centrifugal acceleration, is equal to v squared over r. Okay, so now that we have that written out, we can just go ahead and plug in our numbers. So this is going to give us AC equals 15 meters per second squared divided by 25 meters. And we're also going to do the unit analysis here in just a second to prove that this equation will in fact give us meters per second squared, which is our unit for acceleration. Okay, so 15 times 15 is 225. So this is going to equal 225. Now we can just do this numerically, but just to show, we're just going to have meters squared per second squared divided by 25 meters. Now we do this calculation divided by 25. We get 9. And let's do our units. We have a meter here and a meter here. So we get meters per second squared. So that just proves that our dimensions work out and our units are the same and they are what we would expect for our acceleration. So 9 meters per second squared. Okay, now how much force must the tires apply on the road to make this turn if the car weighs 1,000 kilograms? So what this question is asking is how much force are the tires exerting on the ground to produce this acceleration that causes the car to accelerate inwards, right? Because as it moves along this track, right, it moves along this way, which way is it accelerating? Now, a lot of people think that it'll be accelerating outwards because the velocity is moving away from the circle, when in fact it's actually accelerating inwards. Because if we think about the car in this position right here, we think about the car in this position right here, it has accelerated. It's moving in this direction here, this direction here. It has accelerated to the left, to the right, from left to right. And so our acceleration is towards the center. Okay, so now let's find the force. So as we know, we can write out our equation. F equals M times A, right? So we're looking for the force. This is going to equal the mass of our car, 1,000 kilograms, times the acceleration that we calculated in our previous question, 9 meters per second squared. This is going to give us 9,000 kilogram meters per second squared, which is the same. Let's give ourselves a little more room. This is the same as 9,000 newtons of force. There we go. 9,000 newtons of force. And there we go. That's how we solve these pretty simple equations. It can be kind of scary at first because you're looking at circular motion. It's something you haven't done before, but it's super easy with these two equations. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave any comments down in the comment section for any questions you may have. And yeah, thanks for watching.